Did you hear the shocking news? The biggest names in AI are shaking things up in a huge way. OpenAI and Meta just announced they're letting employees train their own AI models for the first time ever. I'm talking about building machine learning systems from scratch. This could change everything. The huge policy change. Imagine you work at a company like OpenAI or Meta. You've been using their powerful AI tools, but you've never been able to really dive under the hood and build something entirely new from the ground up. Well, that's all changing now. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman just said in an interview with Bloomberg Tech, "We want our employees to be able to experiment freely and push the boundaries of what's possible with AI. That means giving them the keys to train their own models." Meta made a similar announcement, saying they'll provide resources for employees who want to pursue novel AI research. This is a massive shift. Up until now, the actual process of training machine learning systems has been tightly controlled by these big tech companies. Employees could use pre-built tools and APIs, but couldn't really get their hands dirty with the core technology. Why it matters, so why is this such a huge deal? Think about it this way. AI and machine learning are still very new fields. We're only scratching the surface of what's possible. By opening up the training process, you're going to see an explosion in creativity and innovation. Employees will be able to experiment with novel architectures, try out crazy ideas that might fail, iterate quickly on new concepts. This is how breakthroughs happen. As Tech Radar put it, this move could unlock a new golden age of AI research. Sure, there are risks involved. Malicious actors could potentially abuse this power and create dangerous models. But the potential benefits far outweigh those risks in my view. What it means for you, okay? So what does all this mean for you? Someone who's interested in AI, but maybe not working at one of these giant tech companies. A couple things. First, expect the pace of progress and new announcements in AI to speed up. As I mentioned, we're going to see an explosion of creativity as employees chase novel ideas. Second, now is the time to dive in and start learning about machine learning if you haven't already. There are more resources than ever before: online courses, tutorials, open source tools. Don't get left behind. Finally, keep your eye on this space. What OpenAI and Meta are doing here could be a sign of where the entire industry is headed. We may look back on this moment as a key turning point in the democratization of AI. That's all for today's episode of Smart Tech Guide, but there's plenty more to discuss when it comes to AI and machine learning. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this policy change from OpenAI and Meta. Share your reaction in the comments below. And if you're hungry to dive deeper into the world of AI, stay tuned for our next video, where we'll be breaking down some of the most exciting new breakthroughs and tools. Until then, thanks for watching. This script aims to inform viewers about a major policy shift from leading AI companies while providing specific examples, analysis on why it matters, and takeaways for what it means for the average person interested in AI. So the tone's conversational. Now, the pacing moves quickly through distinct sections that build upon each other logically.